Before we wrap up, we have an exciting announcement. Join us for a special event on narcissism. Our special guest, Aleksandra Bohorč, an esteemed expert in the field, will be sharing her profound insights on the topic. Mark your calendars. The event will take place on April 13th, 2024. This is an excellent opportunity to deepen your understanding of narcissism. Don't miss out. We look forward to seeing you there. As we continue our exploration of narcissism, let's focus on a common misconception that narcissists never cheat. This notion is far from the truth. Narcissists, like any other individuals, can and do cheat. However, their motivations might differ from those of non-narcissistic individuals. Narcissists often seek validation and admiration, and cheating can serve as a means to achieve these. It can stem from their need for constant attention, their sense of entitlement, or their lack of empathy for their partners. The impact of narcissistic cheating on relationships can be devastating. The narcissist's lack of remorse and their tendency to manipulate can lead to a cycle of betrayal and pain for their partners. Understanding these dynamics can help us navigate relationships with narcissists more effectively. It's crucial to remember that narcissism doesn't excuse or justify cheating. If you're in a relationship with a narcissist who cheats, it's essential to seek help and protect your emotional well-being.